Thumbs up. Time to head home. Another dollar, another day. How have you guys all been? I hope you've been good. Gotta do what you gotta do for the money. I guess I won't be giving you the silent treatment on this one. Why is it always some fat douchebag looking person that drives Rolls Royces like that guy just was? Literally like the definition of a fat cat. Huh. What are you gonna do? If that's what he wants to look like, that's what he wants to look like. I was watching a video on YouTube earlier today. I unfortunately forget the name of the channel. It wasn't bad, but it made me laugh. It was riding tips. Basically the a modification of the good old, what is it, brake, look, turn, roll, or whatever it is. And he turned it into chill, boop, and roll. The boop part made me laugh. By boop, he means counter steer. So, but it's good advice. Relax when you're on your motorcycle. It's the best thing you can do. Just relax, follow your motorcycle around the curb, counter steer, boop, as he calls it, and smoothly roll on the throttle. Like this, boop. Sorry, that I couldn't keep my concentration there. Let's try it up here. So I see chill, boop, and roll. I mean, it works, obviously, but it's hilarious. Of course, in the chill, boop, roll, he's forgetting to look, point your head where you're going. That's a pretty crucial part of motorcycling that even the best of us forget from time to time. But, yeah. Boop. That's great. Boop. Counter steer. Boop. Boop, boop. Anyway, as I mentioned yesterday, we are in the middle of tax season. Thankfully, I am not an accountant. I do have a friend that is, and he has already gone completely insane. He knows who he is, and he may or may not chime in at some point when he sees this. So maybe he can do the accounting boop at some point. Boop, boop. Boop accounting. Yeah. Which reminds me, folks, do your taxes. It's one of those things. The country cannot operate without your taxes. At least not very well. Oh, there she is. But, still try to get away with as little tax as possible. But you should do them. We got a little tight one here. Here we go. Lots of traffic right now. That's unexpected, but only slows me down ever so slightly, considering I'm on a motorcycle in the great state of California, where, as most of you know, lane splitting is perfectly legal and actually encouraged. Of course, it is nicer when people pay attention, like this Suburban, blocking the whole street. But, you know, people that drive large vehicles tend to be pretty crappy drivers. That's just a general observation. I think they probably feel safer, which of course puts everybody at an elevated risk. But that's how it goes. Yep. What else can we boop? Boop, boop. Could do the accounting boop. The motorcycle boop apparently is counter steering. So I guess in order to stay with the theme, it has to be something that's quintessential to whatever task you're doing. What would be the accounting boop? I demand an accountant chimes in and tells me what the boop for accounting would be. I guess the car boop would be paying attention. Like these idiots. Not being on your phone is a pretty crucial part of the car boop. Man, traffic is heavy today. Gotta watch out for these people's mirrors. I guess it's as much for my own mirrors as it is for theirs. But nevertheless, it is the widest part of their cars, and it is the widest part on my motorcycle. At least it's what's in the direct path of most of these cars. Come on, Grandpa, look in your mirrors. You suck. There you go. A little Lambo. Sure you can hear it. Sounds pretty good to me. It's a little on the loud side, but you know, get a big old V12 in there. It's gonna make some noise. That's just how it is. It's a wonderful noise. Not like those guys with their little 4-cylinder Honda Civic where they destroy the exhaust, making it sound like a big wet fart. Another nice one here, Audi R8 convertible. Not quite a Lambo, but I believe it shares an engine with the old V10 version of what was it? The something or other. I don't remember. All right, here we go. Boop. No one there, and there's a car. That's fine. Okay. I don't even remember what I was talking about. It's probably not that important. It usually isn't. What do we have here? A tourist from Illinois. That's a long drive. It always amazes me when I see a license plate from a place far away. Like Florida. I mean, Jesus Christ, that is literally the entire length of the nation. Or New York. But, you know, if you're on a road trip, you gotta do it right. Let's see where this person's gonna go. Might have to overtake him up here. Libertyville. Of course, doesn't have his lights on. It's not dark, but it's dusk. It's definitely time for your lights to be on. Chill, boop, and roll. Oh man, that's great advice. Boop, boop, boop. Man, all these cars. What's up with today? Alright, folks. Today's episode has been brought to you by Chill, Roll, and Boop. Or wait, no. See, I already got it wrong. Chill, Boop, and Roll. Yeah. And, yeah. It's good advice. You know. It's missing a little something, but it's good advice. So, yep. You all have a good one. I'm gonna check on out. And, yeah. Thumbs up, everybody.